Hi guys, welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name's Gabby. I'm a fashion, beauty, and still life photographer based in London. And tomorrow I'm actually going to be flying to Barcelona Airport from London Heathrow. So I'm going to be taking my equipment on vacation with me, and recently I purchased a drone. I have the DJI Mavic Air, and I've read a few things about this. I've watched some videos, but there really isn't that much information on people's personal experience taking their drones through airport security, onto the plane, all of that. As far as I know from the research that I've done so far, basically I need to carry it on with me, or at least carry on the batteries with me, because they are lithium batteries. Just let you guys know either how hard it is, how difficult it is to get through, or how easy it is. I'm assuming that it's going to be pretty easy. People have been telling me that this is pretty common, that the TSA is used to seeing drones going through the security, and also the DJI Mavic Air is a pretty light, compact drone, so it shouldn't be too difficult to take it through. I'm just going to show you what I have packed. So this is my camera bag. I have the DJI Mavic Air here. The drone itself is actually in this case. I'm also taking my Sony camera and all of the drone accessories. The batteries are over here charging. Now I'm charging the batteries and I'm also charging the remote controller, because I've heard in some cases they might make you turn this on just to show that it is charged, is working, isn't any kind of other device. So charging those up just to make sure that everything is in good working order in case they make me turn it on. At Terminal 3. Okay guys, it is 4 a.m. at Terminal 3, and last night after charging the drone a little bit more, charging up the batteries and everything, I decided to not take my actual camera but just take my drone and my vlogging camera and all of my drone accessories. So I sort of repacked the bag just a little bit, and this is what it looks like. So I have my drone in here. I can open that up so you guys can see. The drone is in here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in this case when I go through security, but take it out separately and just put it into the bag, take it out of the backpack. Depending on what they say, I might take out the controller as well. I have the controller here. I have a hard drive here. All of the batteries are here all together. I only have 3 batteries, and then I just have the chargers, so should be good to go. I also have my computer in here, as well as a tablet, and then just some different accessories in the front of the bag. only thing that I took out was the actual drone, and I didn't even take it out of its case. Made it through security with the drone. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. They didn't even take my my container and like extra check it or anything. So thumbs up for getting through London Heathrow with the drone easily. So overall, taking the drone through London Heathrow was relatively simple. I just packed my camera bag as usual, and the only thing that I took out of the bag was the drone itself, and I put that next to the bag in the same container. And I thought maybe they might take my container and swab it or make me turn on the batteries or turn something on, but that was not the case. They didn't take the container, it just went straight through super easily, so no problems at all. For my vacation, I brought 3 extra batteries with me. These are the batteries for the DJI Mavic Air, of course, because that's the one that I have. And you have to make sure, because different airlines do have different restrictions on the batteries, but I'm pretty sure that even the bigger batteries you can take on a plane with you. But these ones are 27.43 WH, so that's the power percentage of the lithium-ion battery, and you just want to make sure, because some airlines do have some restrictions on either the amount of these that you can bring all put together, so you can only have so many batteries, or the battery percentage. So just make sure you check that WH number. And also a funny thing that I ended up finding out, my rechargeable power pack that I use actually to charge my phone and sometimes to recharge the remote control, this thing actually has a higher number than the drone batteries. So this one is actually 74, but I brought all of these on with me, and I didn't have any kind of restriction, no problems at all.